dripping like gold. You got me so wild. Dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
My gorgeous viewers, welcome to my channel. I am so very excited to be showing you this new product by Plaud. It is called the Note Pin Bundle. So the product itself is called the Note Pin. The bundle comes with all these accessories, different ways to wear it, to use it. This one in particular comes with a wristband, a clip and a lanyard. Let's get into it. Look how gorgeous the packaging is. It's just amazing. So we will open it right now. There is a perforated line above just so you guys don't struggle like I did in the beginning. I was just like, how do you open this? Okay, so inside this box we get 2 more boxes. We've got the Plaud Note Pin right here, and then of course the bundle of accessories right here. So we will open, let's open the Plaud up first. Okay, as you can see, oh my goodness. Look at how tiny and sleek that is. I mean, I saw photos of it and videos of it online. Oh my God, it's magnetic. That is so cool. That is so awesome. Wow, that is, sorry, I'm just like so entertained by and it's quite weighty. It feels very high quality. And look how tiny it is. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So this is and look, I just want to show you guys how beautiful this product is. Like the product, the packaging, my goodness. So much thought has been put into everything about this. It comes with, oh, that must be the charging base, and beautiful woven charging cable. Everything looks so premium quality. And that is the the little note pin, the little charging base it comes with. That's where you can plug it in, USB-C. And in here we have the instructions. It shows you how you can wear it on your shirt. It allows you to stick the material between the base and the note pin, so you can stick it through your clothes. We'll do a demonstration in a bit. Number 2 is the lanyard. Number 3 is the clip. And number 4 is the little wristband to wear it like a watch. Quick start guide, and it has different languages. It allows you to download the Plaud app. Binding and connection, start recording, indicator light, charge. I'm like just so excited about the packaging. It's so beautiful. It's really lovely. So we will keep the quick start guide and the little instruction diagram out so we can have reference to it later. We will stick this one back inside. Look how cute. Oh my God, I can't get over how cute this is. It's absolutely adorable. I'm going to take the little plastic sheeting off of it. Okay, so you can see it's a very strong magnetic piece. Okay. And this is how you can wear it. So you can wear it different places, literally anywhere. Really strong magnet. I love it. Oh my God, it looks fantastic. So this is the magnetic clip. This must be the charging base. Okay, so let us look in the other box. And this is the bundle. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful these things are. We've got the lanyard. We've got the magnetic clip. And we've got the wristband. Okay, so I want to check out this little clip here first. See how this works. So as you can see, this little note has this magnetic piece. I love the design, it's so simple. So we can basically replace this piece with this piece, and now it's a clip. There's different ways to clip it onto your clothes. You can either clip it on, but then you could also use this, even this magnet, like that. So there's just so many endless ways you can use this. Let's see how else we can. Just like that. And it's magnet. Look how beautiful that is. I love this simplistic design. It's very easy to use. And then the lanyard. Look how beautiful the lanyard is. So many different options for everyone, right? Everyone likes the tea a bit different. What is that saying? One thing can't be everyone's cup of tea. Whether you want to wear it on the wrist strap, on your wrist, or you want to wear it as a clip or clip it onto something like a strap, a handbag, whatever. Use the magnetic, like through your clothes, the magnetic feature. Use the lanyard part. Okay. The top of the note pin has this piece for the lanyard, an S-clip if you will. It's on just like that. And it's adjustable in length. So it can fit like that. I just love all the different options. We haven't even got into the features, but I really love how many things that they give you. Unlike some companies, they barely give you anything when you spend so much money on their product. But this, it's a really great deal, I think. At first you think, oh my god, it's like almost 200 for recorder, but the quality of it and everything that you're getting with it, and they all feel very premium. They all feel, you know where your money went. Like it all feels great, and immediately you know, like, I think it's a great deal. Really well made. You can't fake high quality. You know what I like about it? Everything is easy to transfer into. Like, it's not difficult to change out all the different accessories that it comes with. Everything is so easy and quick. Some devices are quite challenging, complicated to kind of switch in and out of the way you use them, but I'm really impressed. I think you just have to be careful you don't lose it because it's so small. It's just amazing. But the sheer size of it makes it perfect, discreet, and easy to use no matter where you are. No matter what profession you are, even if you're a student, like taking this to class and having it consolidate your note-taking, making mind maps. It does have a lot of different things with this device. So first off, there's an app that you can download, and it allows you to do all these different kinds of things. So I just want to show you. When you press it, you can see the light, so it can pair with your phone, and you can feel this vibration when you turn it on. And QR code to download the app, okay? And whether you have Android or Apple, it works with both. So we saw that we press it and it flashed. I don't know if you can hear that. It like vibrates. It's like a little droid. And press it until the white light flashes. You can see the white light is flashing, and that indicates the note pin is ready for connection. Open the Plaud app, and you guys will download the app from the QR code, and then you follow the on-screen instructions to complete the binding process, so it pairs everything together. Then to start, you press and hold 1 vibration. To end, you press and hold until you feel 2 vibrations. The indicator light is that light that you saw there. It's white, ready to connect. If it's red, it's recording. If it's purple, it's low battery. Purple flashing is the low battery. And green means fully charged, and yellow means out of storage. So charging, charge it, you want to take the piece off here. And then you want to stick it onto the charging base, like that. And then stick the USB-C cable or cord into the base, and then obviously plug that into a power source. And you can charge your little tiny device. I want to wear it. I just love the way it looks. Basically, it also has 64 gigabytes of internal memory, AI transcribe and support system, 112 languages, and it's great for lectures, meetings, business, client, interview, whatever, like anything that you need. This little device can be so useful. It can only make your life easier to have one of these. So it has 20 hours of continuous recording. It has 40 days of standby time, 64 gigs, as I said, of local storage, internal storage, unlimited cloud storage, and it's only 16.6 grams in weight. Like, although it's when I said it was weighty, it doesn't feel cheap, but it's still light. It just doesn't feel cheap. It just feels, you know, it has some weight to it, but it's still lightweight. And of course, you have complete control over your data. With the app, you have the Plaud AI membership. And basically, there's a starter plan that is free. You get 300 minutes a month. You get at least 13 templates, 112 languages that it supports. And you have over 10 share and export formats, speaker labels, unlimited cloud storage, as I've said. But you do not get your custom template or Ask AI. Those are the two features that are featured only with the Pro plan. So with the free plan, you get 300 minutes a month. With the Pro plan, you get 1,200 minutes a month. And you get at least 27 templates and more. The same 112 languages, more than 10 export and share formats. You get everything else, the speaker labels, the unlimited cloud storage, but then you get the custom template and the Ask AI, which the free membership does not have those two features. So those are the main differences between the free version and the Pro version. And some people will say like, well, why would I want this little device when I could just record on my phone? Well, you see how easy that was for me to take off, even though they're two separate pieces, because the magnetic feature is so strong. It's a very strong magnet. I'm super impressed with just the quality of it. It's just amazing. I'm just really impressed with this. It's not just a recorder. Like on your phone, you have a recorder. But if you want more features, you end up having to needing to download a bunch of apps to have all the features that this one device has in one. Do you know what I mean? Like, without this, yeah, you have your phone, but then you're gonna have to download a whole bunch of other stuff to get everything that this little device has. So in a way, you are saving time, money, and effort, energy, just getting this one device, than trying to use all this stuff with your phone. So it's a note taker, okay? Tiny little note taker with all these other things that it can do for you to support your needs and make your job easier. Whatever you're doing, it's supposed to help you. So this is a very supportive little device. It's wearable. Obviously, you guys know you can wear it any way, on your clothes, on your lanyard, on your wrist. And it's developed on the GPT-4 and web offer. It can do to-do lists, it can summarize, it can note take, and it can do mind maps. I would consider this as a productivity enhancer. It supports you to increase your productiveness, your productivity every day in whatever you're doing. Why wouldn't you want a device that basically makes life easier? I really love the fact that there is a free starter plan. Like, you are getting a lot in such a little package, right? You get the 300 free minutes a month. You get all these amount of features considering the free plan. You can also locate it through the Find My app with any Apple device. It will make that sound so you can find it. Oh, also there's the unlimited plan, $239 a year or $29.99 a month, and it's unlimited. Absolutely unlimited. There's no cap at all. It actually comes with the industry glossary. So that's the one extra thing that it comes with that the Pro plan does not come with, or the free plan does not come with. If you compare it to other voice recorders, most voice recorders will be around $20 a month. and you only get like 600 a month, and you don't get any of the other features that this device comes with. I feel like this is a great value for the dollar. Anyway, I hope you check out this beautiful product. Again, this is the Plaud Note Pin, and check it out for yourself. If you don't like it, return it. But honestly, I'm pretty sure most of you are going to keep this because it's so invaluable to your everyday productivity. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.